Paco TV.
Yaa Shondem, yeah? You ready for something? Alright, so tonight you're going to be saying, if you can dance for me, I'm coming to play a song. If you can dance very well, come on stage. If you know that you can dance, come on stage. Like I made it very well. Very well. Hey.
Paco TV. Experience the thrill of TV.